What is a digital citizen? It's someone who uses technology responsibly to learn, create, and participate.
Media information that we get and share with others. We need to make good choices by balancing how much time we spend on digital devices. Doing other activities like playing outside and spending time with your family.
Private information is information that could identify you, like your name, address, phone number. Don't share private information with others when you are online.
Your digital footprint is a record of what you've done online, including sites you've visited and things you have posted. Be responsible about what you put online, because what you can do online can stay on the internet forever.
When you are playing games, make sure your interactions with others are kind and respectful. Don't be a griefer, which is someone who tries to irritate or anger others when playing online games.
Cyberbullying is using digital devices, sites, and apps to harm or upset. Don't be a cyberbully. Instead, be an upstander, which is a person who supports and stands up for someone else.
Make sure when you're using others' work online that you give them credit for the work. If something is copyrighted, it's protected legally from others taking and saying it's their own work.
Digital citizenship is where it's all at. Be safe, smart, and kind online.